In this video we're giving an honest review of Google Fiber, a high-speed internet service known for its reliable performance and transparent pricing. Plans start at $70 per month for symmetrical gigabit speeds, making it an attractive option for streaming, gaming, and remote work. Users appreciate Google Fiber for its consistent speeds, low latency, and lack of data caps. Higher-tier plans, including 3 gigabits per second and 8 gigabits per second options, are available for those needing even faster connections. The service also offers professional installation and optional features like internet battery backup. However, availability is limited to select cities, and some users have reported occasional outages and delays with customer service. Installation experiences can also vary depending on the location. Overall, if Google Fiber is available in your area, it's a strong choice for fast, reliable internet with clear pricing. Be sure to check local reviews to confirm service quality in your neighborhood. If this review helped, make sure to like and subscribe for more honest tech and service insights.